Action.
Good morning. Welcome to 328 South Coconut Palm Boulevard in Tavernier, Florida, in the beautiful Florida Keys. My name is Frank Lascos, and this is the Lascos team's latest listing. Beautiful home, almost 4,400 square feet, and be ready to be amazed. We begin here in the driveway with shellstone flooring. The columns are also covered in rock. The ceiling is covered in synthetic wood, looking no maintenance free. Cameras throughout the whole home. Honeywell security system. Beautiful, amazing landscaping. This area here is an enclosed area for storage, 680 square feet. A TV with the Sonos surround system with speakers throughout the whole home. In every room, in every area, you'll have speakers where you could watch your football game here and listen to it throughout the whole home. The wall also covered, nice accents piece with covered stone here. An elevator, you want to go to your master bedroom from here, you call the elevator, you walk in, and you hit 3 for your 3rd floor. Also a storage room right here. Nice area to entertain by the pool. One other very important element, these are lap siding concrete walls, meaning there's no wood here. This will last you forever, just like another concrete wall would. We're going to start on this end of the dock. For you fishermen out there, we have a full cleaning fishing station, fish cleaning station. A 15,000 pound lift with all the electrical embedded in the concrete dock that goes 125 feet. So you have your boat on your lift here, deep water dockage, you can bring in a big boat here, electrical and water right at the dock with a station. All the bolsters, so no hurting your boat, all well protected. You can keep your jet ski right here and lift it with this lift. Also water station over here. Nice landscaping. You can come out here and read in the afternoon, covered with the trees. Beautiful landscaping, real grass. Big open expansive area. Nice area to entertain music throughout. You decide to go up the stairs, you have an oversized stair area, 5 feet wide, also covered in shellstone. The elevator opens up here, and you have your impact window doors, and I'll let BJ show you the rest.
Hi, I'm BJ Bourne, and I'm so excited to show you the interior of this beautiful home. As you can see, it's large and lots of living space, and here we have the LED lights and the Sonos system throughout. Also, we have large living area. Come this way, I'd like to show you the kitchen. Lots of room for dining with your family. The kitchen has all custom cabinetry throughout, including panels put on the Sub-Zero refrigerator and also the dishwasher. I'd like to show you that also. So the dishwasher has this. We have a Wolf stove that's 60 inches. It has 6 burners and it has a grill. Also, we have the microwave that's built in. It's a Wolf built-in microwave, which is very helpful. And I'd like to take you around the corner over here. Thank you, David. Through here we have a wine cooler that holds 168 bottles of wine. We'll save this for later. There is a big pantry behind this door. As you notice, we have all custom doors and wood features throughout the house. These are 8-foot high custom doors. Hi, and welcome back. I'm going to be showing you the next 3 bedrooms here, but first I'd like to show you the powder room. It's got the shiplap back wood on the back, and then notice that the hallways are extra wide. Through here we have a sound-induced AC system that is in here. We can also explain that more once you've come to see the house, but I'd like to take you in here. This is the first bedroom. All bedrooms have en-suites with full bathrooms. So please take a look at the bathroom. Notice that all the tile is custom and each room is unique. So we'll go to the next room. Oh, let's take a look at the utility room here. You notice all the custom cabinetry in there also. Also, this is bedroom number 2. Nice sized bedroom with a full bath. Okay, now I'll take you on to the third bedroom. This is the full bath in this bedroom. And the bedrooms. Also notice all the windows have the plantation shutters, which is a great feature to have. It's very keysy and appealing. Okay, now I'd like to direct you to the upstairs where Frank is going to continue the tour. Thank you.
Welcome to the 3rd floor, the master suite. Have you noticed the stairwell also wider than normal? Plenty of room for a couple of people to come through. One of the great things about this master bedroom is that outside of the master bedroom, you have your own office, private, away from the rest of the home, right next to your bed. So as you get up in the morning or maybe late at night and you want to work, you're not disturbing the rest of the guests in the home. As you walk this way, you'll notice the big, oversized, 8-foot tall, custom-made doors, double door. So you can keep this closed and keep your bedroom private from everything else, and still have access to the deck and show, bring guests up here and entertain. The master bedroom's obviously an oversized, large bedroom, covered in paneling in the back, very custom features, huge ceilings. The AC ducts are up there. The doors, there's 2 doors to access the deck with privacy curtains. And as you walk this way, you'll notice the Lutron electrical lighting system throughout the whole home. You can control all your lights from right next to your bed. You have a wet bar and a coffee station. So you decide to have anything to drink or anything, you don't have to go downstairs. Full walk-in closet, very large, plenty of room for everything that you need. And then the amazing master bathroom. This could almost be a bedroom with the electronic toilet, a full oversized shower. Everything about this home is big and very custom. From the baseboards to the gutters of the home, everything has been done custom. You also have a linen closet right here. Incredible balcony out here. Huge, plenty of room to have guests out here, and you could still keep your master private from having anybody to go in there. You got this whole area that comes all the way out here. Down this way, there's also another corridor you can use for plants. Excellent views and lots of privacy. Nobody around here. You got privacy at this level. There's nobody at your level. But yet, there's one more special detail. One other thing that you can notice, the speakers are still here. They're everywhere in this house, so you'll have music throughout the whole home.